Hello everyone. We have created an ERP system for pharma manufacturing where we are handling all their processes and packaging, all the things related to QC, all the things related to maintenance, asset, everything end to end. I'm going to demonstrate you each and every processes end to end and how we are handling all those things in ERP system. So let's start with item master. I have already saved the data for a liquid manufacturing where we are creating a solution, and this is all the master RM and PM required for this particular solution. And if you see, this is all the item master. In each item, let we are entering the strength of that particular item and full name of that item, also the scientific name of that item. Once we created the item master, we need to look at our operation masters.